Can you give an example of a QPRT in action? Imagine you have a lovely home that you want to pass on to your children while still enjoying living there. This is where a qualified personal residence trust comes into play. Let's look at a real-life example to see how it works. Meet John and Susan Smith, a couple in their 70s. They own a home valued at $100,000. They decide to transfer their home into a qualified personal residence trust. They choose a term for the trust that lasts for the lesser of 10 years or their joint lives. This means they can continue living in their home rent-free for that time. Now, here's where it gets interesting. By placing their home in a trust, the value of the gift to their children is reduced for tax purposes. Instead of being valued at $100,000, the Internal Revenue Service assesses the gift at about $205,753. This discount is based on their ages and the interest rates at the time of the transfer. If John and Susan live beyond the 10-year term, the home will pass directly to their children without incurring additional gift tax. This means any increase in the home's value during that time goes to their children without extra tax burdens. However, if either John or Susan passes away before the term is up, the property goes back into their estate, and the gift is not completed for tax purposes. This aspect highlights the importance of considering health and life expectancy when setting up a qualified personal residence trust. From an estate planning perspective, this arrangement allows John and Susan to maintain their home while effectively transferring wealth to their children. It's a smart way to preserve family assets and minimize tax implications. Additionally, a qualified personal residence trust can hold up to 2 residences and even include cash for home improvements. If the property is no longer used as a personal residence during the trust term, it can be converted to an annuity trust. In summary, John and Susan's example illustrates how a qualified personal residence trust can benefit homeowners looking to pass on their property while still enjoying it. It's a practical tool for preserving family wealth and ensuring a smooth transition of assets to the next generation.